This factory packs more mangoes in one day than most farms ship in a season. The machines never stop. One small delay can halt tons of fruit instantly.
Every mango's journey begins here, in sun-filled orchards at peak ripeness. Farmers harvest mangoes by hand to protect their delicate skin. Freshly picked mangoes rest briefly before sorting begins. Quality control starts right at the farm.
Proper packing protects mangoes during transport.
The harvest is ready for its journey to the factory. Fresh mangoes travel quickly to preserve quality. This is where mangoes meet modern technology.
Factory processing begins the moment mangoes arrive.
Thousands of mangoes enter the production line. Human inspection ensures consistent quality. Smart scanners sort mangoes instantly. Sorting happens at an incredible scale. Nothing is wasted in modern factories. Loose debris is removed before washing. Powerful sprays clean the fruit surface. Gentle rotation cleans mangoes safely. Sanitizing ensures food safety. Brush is clean without harming the mango. Clean, dry mangoes are ready for processing. Clean mangoes now enter the processing zone. Machines slice mangoes with perfect accuracy.
Inside, ripe mangoes reveal rich pulp.
Seeds are removed for smooth processing. Pulping turns fruit into smooth mango base. Pulp moves toward juice extraction. Presses extract pure mango juice. Fresh mango juice flows out. Raw juice is temporarily stored. Unwanted solids are removed.
Filtration refines juice quality.
Sensors ensure perfect consistency.
Pasteurization makes juice safe. Heat is carefully controlled. Juice is cooled instantly. Juice is cooled instantly.
Samples are taken for testing.
Juice is ready for filling.
Packaging is prepared.
Containers are fully sterilized.
Filling begins with precision.
Smart sensors instantly detect any filling or sealing errors. Automated sealing locks in freshness. Safety bands protect consumers and ensure trust. Labels provide identity and vital information. Every product is fully traceable. Final human checks ensure perfection.
Robots assemble packs with speed and accuracy.
Shrink wrap keeps products safe during shipping.
Cartons prepare products for bulk transport. Robots stack pallets with precision.
Laboratory tests convert safety and quality.
Taste panels protect flavor consistency.
Shelf life testing ensures long-term quality. Cold storage preserves freshness.
Logistics teams manage every shipment.
Products are loaded for distribution. Distribution begins nationwide.
A modern factory built for efficiency. Mango products reach consumers.
From fresh mango to finished product, subscribe for more factory stories.